Hey everyone, just wanted to give you a quick overview of the Tallas electronic booster pump. This is the DE Boost. This particular version is the 115 volt 1100 45. It's a great pump. It's booster pump for many different uses. It can be used for gardening or to boost the pressure in your home or even for drinking water. It's a great pump with a lot of great features and a lot of great safety features. So just to give you a quick overview of the pump itself. Here we have the intake valve here, which just has a quick release, removing the pin here. And then this can be removed. You can quick either move the pump or use the threads to insert into your intake port where you'll be getting the water from. Just a quick push in and lock it in again with the pin. It makes a great seal and very secure. So we got the input port here and then the output port. Output port is obviously vertical on the pump here. It does have an internal impeller in here to measure water gallons per minute and the appropriate pressure in here as well. Does have a lot of great safety features. It's got an automatic on-off. There is a mode that you can set that will just be a manual on and off as well if that works for what you need. It does have dry run protection, and then it's a simple plug and play. This particular pump does have the advanced features as some of the other Tallas pumps do not have. It does have a pressure sensor in order so you can set pressure on, pressure off to make sure we protect the pump. So it's got the auto mode, it's got the manual mode, which would just be the simple on-off of the pump. It has anti-leakage mode and then cut in and cut out pressures. And then it does have a maximum pump setting on here, so if you need an extra little boost, you can set it to that and you will be able to control it. It does also have an alarm on it as well, so if you want to set alarm pressures on there, you can definitely do that to alert you if a certain maximum or certain minimum pressure is reached. We do also have drains down here. We have drain plugs on here, so if you're to drain the pump for winter or colder temperatures, you can easily drain that and make sure that is protected. Kit does come with an extra drain plug just in case you need that, and then the wrench to remove the ports and to remove the top filter. So just as I mentioned there, we have the filter. So giving this a quick turn here, we do have the internal filter here to help protect the pump from sand and other sediments that might be in the water. It is a fine screen filter, which is obviously removable and you can clean it. It does have a nice clear window in the top of the filter case so that you can see if you need a quick glance if it needs to be cleaned out or taken care of. So just to go over some specifications of the pump itself. It has this particular one, the 1100 series, does have 15 gallons per minute with a maximum height of boost for 141 feet. It is a 3/4 horsepower pump, so it does give you a lot of extra power based on some of the other models. It is actually a fairly quiet pump as well. It only gives off about a 79 decibel level, which is great compared to some of the other pumps that are out there. It is a water-cooled pump, so you don't necessarily have to worry about overheating. It does have a great safety feature in there, so you don't have to worry about that overheating in there. It is nice and compact compared to most of the other 3/4 horse pumps that are out there on the market. It does have a very convenient handle on there. It's weighted great, so that the pump is within, the handle is centered within the pump weight, so you don't have to worry about clumsy pumps or anything like that. On the back of the pump here, it has all of your internal specifications, the 115 volt to 120 volt. It is 1050 watts, again 3/4 horsepower, with a maximum output of 15 gallons per minute. Down here there is also a QR code that you can use to scan with your phone, and that will deliver you specifically to the manufacturer's website, and you can get all the technical specifications on there and installation guides if you need that to set up for. To give you guys a quick overview of the capabilities of the pump, I'll give you a shot of this here, and this will tell you again the maximum height, the maximum output, and the overall performance based on height. There are many options that you can use with this pump, anywhere from boosting an in-ground sprinkler system, boosting the pressure in your house, or using it as a backup in case your power goes out. It has the 120 volt cord on here, which you can plug in to any generator, and you have water pressure in your house. The Tallas brand is a very reliable brand. They do have many different models out on the market right now. So if this particular one doesn't meet your requirements, definitely check them out, and there are pumps for any application that you'd be looking to do. But again, just wanted to give you a quick overview of the pump, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.